Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk a little bit about charging your Lipo batteries. We have a B6AC Pro charger. It's a charger and discharger, and most important of all, it's a balance charger, so it can balance charge. We are going to talk a little bit about that just in a few seconds. As you can see right here now, it says Lipo charge, 1.5 amps, 7.4 volts. And on the side here, you can see different connectors. We got 2 cells, 3 cell, 4 cell, 5 cell, and 6 cell. So you can even charge a 6 cell battery with this. I only got 3 cell and 2 cell. The 1 cell is another charger, so I'm not going to show you that today. But I thought I can talk a little bit about what you need to be thinking about when you charge and what kind of program you're going to use on your charger. So, if you've been looking at my other videos, you've been seeing that I have a Lipo safe bag. I use this for travel and storage for all my Dromida batteries. And when I charge, I usually just pick them up and put this down and I can charge them up. Not at the same time, but one at once. This is really good to have for storage and really a must-have for charging. Because when you charge your Lipos, they can swell up and explode. And if they start to burn, they're pretty hard to put out. So a Lipo safe bag is a must. There's a lot of different kind of chargers. Mine is one of the cheapest ones. It's about 80 bucks at the hobby store. It doesn't have any fan or anything, so if you charge a lot of batteries after each other, they can get a little bit hot. So just think about that when you are charging. So I thought we can start by charging up or checking the 2S battery. This is a yellow RC battery that has a Traxxas connector. On here, this call is a banana plug, I think. It's just black and red, minus and plus. And this has a Dean's connector in the end that I've soldered on. See here? I just put some electric tape and I solder it under. And this can't connect to the Traxxas battery. So you need a connector. This is a connector for Dean's to Traxxas. So just put this one on here and think about when you're doing it. You can't put it on the wrong way, but just think about when you do it. So there's like little springs in there to keep it tight. So sometimes it's hard to get it in. Just look at the way the springs goes. And this just has springs on it here too, look. So there's little springs there, just to keep them together. So if you're having trouble of getting them together, look at the holes in here. And you can see the metal thing is up there. And this metal is there. So just take this and push it down on the other side. And down. Then it should be like really easy to connect. And on the Traxxas battery, you have little bumps. You see these 2 bumps here, and this is a flat surface. And often Traxxas use like little bumps or something on their connectors. So these bumps are just going to go together. I don't think that you can put it in the wrong way. No, you can't even put it in this way. So plug in the battery. And here is a balance charger, a balance cable. So 2S has 3 cables, 3S has 4 cables, and probably 4S has 5, and 5 has 6, and 6 has 7. So you just take the balance connector and you just push it in here. You can see here there's a little slot, and it says 3 cells down here. So you know it's, no, 2 cells, because this is a 2 cell battery. So you just push it in and it's stuck. And now we're going to look a little bit on the programs we have. This says Lipo charge now, and I say that like, yeah, Lipo charge, I'm going to charge my battery up. But if you push the ink button or the plus button, you'll get So it says Lipo balance, and this is the way you want to go, because then it's going to charge up the two cells simultaneously, so not one cell will be charged up fully and then the other cell will be charged, because then it can mess up the battery and it doesn't get that much lifetime as it should be. So if we just go out to the total program, you can with this charger you can charge NIM batteries, nickel metal hydride, as I've been talking about before. They look like this and they only have one cable. So with this battery you only plug in the DINS connector and then just push start here. Then you come up current, how much milliamps you want, and this is 1300, but we're not going to charge this one now, I'm just showing. And then you just play start and everything. So nickel metal hydride batteries is really easy to charge. So I'm gonna go out here. As you push the battery type, this button, you can go through different types of batteries. This is a nickel metal battery. This is B battery. Save data, load data, program select. We're gonna use Lipo battery, so we're just gonna choose Lipo battery, push start, and here's the Lipo charge. And remember to always charge it up on balanced. So push this so it says Lipo balanced. Remember to always charge it up on balanced. Now it comes to the other part, what you're gonna choose. You can start off by putting the battery inside of the Lipo safe bag. I just push it up like this and do it like that. And remember, this is not a security bag, this will not eliminate the explosion or anything, this will just keep the explosion or the fire maintained inside here. It will still go out here and everywhere, but you can get away your other batteries and everything, because if two batteries are laying beside each other and one explodes, it's going to be like double explosion. Think about that, guys, when you're dealing with Lipo batteries. And now we just push start and it's gonna to blink, and now it's asking how fast do you want or how many amps do you want your battery to be charged at. And this battery has 2200 milliamps, so if you want to charge it up on 1 hour, you're going to choose 2.2 amps, and then it's going to take about an hour to charge this battery up fully. Then you push start again. Then it's going to ask how many volts do you want this battery to be charged at. And this, as you saw, is a 2S, so it has 7.4 volts. This is on 11.1, so this is on 3S. So we're going to push minus, we get 7.4. So 7.4 volts is the lowest this charger can do. If you push up, you get 11.1. You can go 14.8, 18.5, and 22.2. That's 6S, but that's just crazy. So we're going to go all down to 7.4, 2.2 amps, push in the battery inside of the bag and push start. So now you can check that everything is correct. You hold in the start button. It's going to check the battery. Now it's checked, so we have chosen the right thing. So it's 2S and everything. So now it says, do you want to start? And I just press start one time to get it started. So now you can see it go up to 2.2 amps. It's at 7.76 volts and it's starting to go up the milliamp hours. If you want to check how many volts your cells are, just push the ink button plus here. You get up all the cells. So this is a 2 cell. You can see it here. You can see 2 cells. It has 6 cells at its capacity, but it only has 2 this battery. So this now is charging at 3.78, and you all know what number you want to come up to. It's 4.20. And then you can just go back and you can see how many, it should go up to 2200 milliamps, about that. And I can also show you just a little quick, and if you want to shut it up, you just push the battery type again. And if you're doing it wrong, don't be alarmed, because it's going to tell you that this is wrong. So if we're going to do this again and you would choose the wrong type of cells, you can try this here. So it's 2.2. And we change this to 11.1. So now it's into 3S, and this is not going to work, because then it's going to charge 3 cells and that doesn't work. So we push start and let it check. So now it's checking. Now it says low voltage, so something is wrong. So you can just push this button here and everything is back. And you can see that, oh yeah, that's the wrong thing there. So then you just have to go there, go there, go there, and do it like that. And if you want to, and if you want to fast charge your battery, you just push here on the 2.2 amps and push it up to like the double, so we can put it at 4.4, and now it will charge in about half an hour instead of 1 hour. So you see everything is okay. I push start again, and now it starts. So now this is going to go up to 4.4 amps instead of 2.2. So now it's going to charge a lot quicker. If you see here, it's already up to 10 milliamps an hour already. And you can still check here, 3.82, 3.82. And in the last we saw it was 378, I think. So it's gone up really much faster now than it's on 2.2 amps. So we're just gonna leave it here, and I really hope that you learned something today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's something you're still wondering about, I'm gladly here to answer your questions. And if you want me to do something else, like another video or something, just give it a comment down below, and I'll try to do that maybe. And have an awesome day. Remember to go out there and have fun with your RCs and other hobbies. I sure will. And please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Goodbye!